All right, problem number 19. Problem number 19 on MTS ALG2 4.2 HW4.2. Okay, this is question number 19. And question number 19 is saying graph this, right? Is that what it says? Graph, connect the points, then graph the inverse and identify the relationship, each relationship. Okay? So first of all, let's graph this one. Okay? Alright. So we'll graph that in purple, right? So we got -4 is x. Right? So -4 and -2 is y. Okay? Then we've got -2 for x. Okay? And we have -1 for y. Okay? And then we have 0 for x and 0 for y. And then we have 2 for x and 1 for y. Okay? And then we have 4 for x and 2 for y. Okay? Anybody know what kind of relationship this is? What kind of relationship is this? Is this a constant, a linear, quadratic, a cubic? Come on, people. Huh? Linear. It's a straight freaking line. Come on, wake up. Now, here's the hard part. You'll never be able to do this, so just quit and leave. Okay? The inverses. Inverses are way too hard for people to understand. Especially green pins. So, the inverse, okay, like I said, you don't need to write this down because you'll never understand it, but it is your homework, so you might as well copy it, okay? So, your x becomes your y. So -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. And your y becomes your x. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay? And so therefore they want you to graph it. And it looks like x is -2, y is -4. Is that right? So -2, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? -1, -2. 0. 1 and 2. 2 and 4. Look, it's another line. So the inverse is the same type of function, but it's inverted. Okay, what does that mean? I can show you easily. Excuse me. Okay. I have this. Okay. And that purple one goes like this. 2, Now, watch this. Okay? Right? Holy cow. Does this look like the inverted line now? And what we do is just a little trick. Right? So you're here, and the X becomes the Y, and the Y becomes the X. So you're just taking this bottom corner and picking it up, dropping it, and that's your inverse. If you ever want to create an inverse, it doesn't matter what the picture is, right? I can get an inverse. It looks like this, right? How do I find the inverse? There it is. That's my inverse. Done, son. Okay? It's a little trick I learned back in college to make things easy. Okay? The X becomes the Y becomes the X's. That's inverses. Okay? Alright, that's number 19.